Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikhar Chauhan, and in this session I'm going to share a very important information for all the students who are planning to take the admissions in MPharm programs in various colleges, universities. The reason being that if you have qualified the GPAT, you will be only able to get the scholarship, GPAT scholarship scheme by the AICTE only if the college or the institute is AICTE approved. My dear students, when we talk about the BPharm or the MPharm program, there are three governing bodies in India which looks into the technical education. The first is the UGC, University Grant Commission. Second is the PCI, Pharmacy Council of India, and third is the AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. Now all these organizations works in different directions. For any university, approval from the UGC is mandatory. Then for any pharmacy institution, getting approval from the Pharmacy Council of India is very important. So if you're planning to take admission into the BPharm or the MPharm program, it should be approved by the Pharmacy Council of India. Then third is the AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. Now this approval is again not mandatory. The reason being that once the university is UGC approved and is having PCI approval, then there is not a problem if the university is not having the AICTE approval, because basically the AICTE restricts the number of admissions. So in India, the universities are actually not seeking approvals for the AICTE, the reason being otherwise they have to restrict the seats. So my dear students, don't worry if your institute or the organization is not having AICTE approval but is approved from the PCI and the UGC. Now this information is very important for all those students who have although qualified the GPAT but could not take admission in the NIPER or like other institutions, or are falling at the back. So they can plan to take the admission into the master's program in approved in AICTE approved institution. This will help you in taking the scholarship, GPAT scholarship scheme. So if you want to know about the GPAT scholarship scheme, I have earlier posted the videos. You can go and see that. So my dear students, here I am going to tell you the way where you can easily check whether the institute you are studying or you are planning to take MPharm admission, or you wanted to know is AICTE approved or not, because there are various schemes which are launched by the AICTE time to time for the benefit of the students, and these can only be availed if your institute or the college or the university is AICTE approved. So my dear students, so once you log on to the AICTE website, then you have to log on to the statistics. So a screen like this will appear. This is the dashboard. So you can just enter the detail. For example, if I want to know for the 2021, and for example I want to know about these are the various programs. I want to know about the pharmacy program. So I'm just going to select that only. And I want to select all the universities. Now in which state I want to, that also I have to select. For example, I want to check for the Delhi. Simply I'm going to select Delhi, then I'm going to submit. So there are total 6 institutions which are selected in the Delhi pharmacy. So likewise you can check the detail for any sort of the institutions, and you can even see the information about the closed courses, because there are some universities although their recognitions have been cancelled but they do even exist. So in that case it becomes very important to identify the institutes which have been closed for any programs or which have been unapproved for any sort of the programs. So you can just log on to this website AICTE. It provides you the complete guidance about all the universities for which the various courses have been closed, or the universities which are not approved by the AICTE. So my dear students, before taking the admissions into any M.Pharm program, and if you have qualified the GPAT, you should look for the institute status by logging into the AICTE website. I hope this information is going to help you a lot. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting the such type of notifications timely. Thank you so much everyone.